Hey, I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com, and I want to talk a little bit about my shoulder, my experience, and my surgery. So, I've always been athletic, played sports, lifted weights, was a black belt in karate, played handball, did motocross, played football, and lifted heavy weights. And over the years, the wear and tear really added up on my joints. Um, Basically, I had a painful shoulder for about 50 years. And I adjusted my workout and my lifestyle around it. And it just progressively got worse. And it got where it was really painful to reach up and get something off a shelf or put on a sport coat or put on a seat belt. And then it got so bad that I really couldn't sleep on that side. And that's the side that I sleep on. And even holding a retractor up sometimes during surgery was uncomfortable. And I had some conservative treatment over the years, some steroid injection and maybe an arthroscopic procedure. But it got to the point where I just had bone on bone. And I let that go for probably 5 or 7 years. And that's a decision I regretted. I had a total shoulder replacement by Dr. Paul Kiritsis. Dr. Paul Kiritsis is an orthopedic surgeon with Ortho, Virginia, with a great reputation for being a shoulder specialist. And Paul is board certified in sports medicine and is trained under some of the top shoulder surgeons on the East Coast and does a really amazing work with knees and shoulders. And so I talked to Paul about having my shoulder replaced. And it's nobody really wants to have a total joint and the downtime. And I wasn't going to be able to lift weights or do anything significant for about 4 months. So I had my shoulder replaced around the holidays, and I had to wait about 4 months to start doing anything overhead. I just want to tell you, it's the best decision I ever made in my life. I'm doing things that I really just hadn't been able to do in 50 years. I'm doing overhead presses. I'm doing bench presses. Now I'm doing lightweight. Okay, I'm not doing heavyweight like I used to do. But it's such a great feeling to be able to get back in the gym and do things and not to have it hurt when I reach up to get something. To be able to sleep on that side of my shoulder, and just little everyday tasks that when you're doing them, you get this subconscious thing like, hey, I can do that now. I couldn't do that before. So I really started back a little early, maybe around 3 months at the gym doing light stuff. And throughout the whole recovery period, I was still working out. I just wasn't doing things that would involve my shoulder. And my advice, if you have a significant situation and your surgeon tells you that you need a joint replacement, just do it, okay? And my other shoulder is not much better than this shoulder, but you know what? It's gotten better after I did this shoulder, probably because I'm not using it as much. And I can't say enough great things about Dr. Kiritsis. He's the team doctor for the University of Richmond, for their football team, I think their basketball team. He's always on the field taking care of some athlete, and I think he's one of the premier shoulder surgeons on the East Coast. And that's kind of my experience, and I'm just really glad I did it. I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com.